All right, thought I'd do a quick little teardown video on these Weapons of War noise shells. 4-inch shells. Average weight of all 6 shells is 140.73 grams. So I guess we'll just get into it. We'll do the fuse first. Fuses are usually around the 1.5. Get that tarred out. Get it all in there. 1.6 grams on that. Next we'll do the lift charge. Pull that off. Cut the tape off. Get into the first charge there. 10.1 grams on the lift. Maybe a little bit more. Nope, 10.1. All right. Next, we'll get into the burst composition. Again, it's a noise shell, so no stars. Not much space left. Cardboard disc on top of the clay. Get that taken care of. Get this clay out. I like to crush it instead of digging at it. Loosen that up a little bit. Just squeeze gently. Don't need to get crazy with it. Just work it out until you can feel it kind of pop and give way. Alright, that should do that. Try not to get the comp out, but we'll get the clay out here. Alright, we're already down there. Not too much clay, but you really don't need much for this kind of composition. All right, they're starting to mix, so try to get this last big piece out. These small ones. This one wasn't very graceful, but that's okay. I think it'll all even out at the end here. Turn that back on. And that's all of that. We got 48.4. So we'll add those up off screen. All right. Total 60.1 grams. So right at the limit, but still a questionable product because of the composition. But there you go. Weapons of War.